Hey, it's Sharon. Do you know how much you're spending in sunscreen? That's okay, neither did I. So I created this tool that will calculate how much you spend on sunscreen. Go to bit.ly/sunscreen cost calc, and that will take you to this page where you enter in your email and then calculate my costs. Once there, add in the ounces and price per bottle of your favorite sunscreen and be honest about the number of applications you apply per day. Then hit calculate. And wow, you'll see that the costs really add up quickly. Then hit download my results. And this is what your download will look like if I did my coding correctly, your own customized sunscreen cost summary. So you just might find that wearing your UPF costs less than applying your SPF. So do you know how much you're spending on sunscreen? Go check out my calculator. Talk to you soon.